Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore this. We have no makeup on. My hair is like, you know, yeah, it's too wonderful at the moment. But in today's video, I am doing an unboxing video. Yeah, please ignore this bit. This is from my Starbucks. As we all know that I like Starbucks. I like a caramel frappe with extra caramel, but this is a large today. But rather than making me awake, it's making me really tired. So yes, this is my unboxing video. So I'm just gonna pull down here, as it says. So exciting, eh? Okay, that's it. But yeah, before I get started, I ordered this last week, Wednesday, and I kept on ringing up to see like when I was gonna get my like confirmation email saying, oh yeah, Mandy, it's in the store, come pick it up. But no, I had to go and chase them for me to find out that it's been in the store since last week and they haven't rung me. So Currys, you are bad people. But yeah, it's okay, I'm patient like that, so I don't mind. But a whole week that it was in store, like Anyways, this is my new laptop, and it's a MacBook 3-inch MacBook Pro, sorry, and it's 13 inches. I'm not very good at unboxings, as you can tell, and I'm not very technical. I just know how to use things, but it's gonna take me a while to get used to this because I ain't used the Mac before. And I always say to people that I don't think I'd ever get used to it because I've always been brought up using a Windows laptop slash PC, you know, like back in the day when we used to use floppy disks and stuff like that. But they say it's all like similar to your iPads, and I have an iPad and everything, an iPhone and whatnot, so hopefully it's not that hard to use, because you know people use it, I'm like, what the heck are you doing? But yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's the one with the touch bar, and I think it's 1 terabyte because I'm always buying storage. I always find that I'm buying storage, and I was like, this time I don't want to buy storage. I want to have enough storage, kind of thing. So I don't want to be like working from a laptop that I have to keep inserting a hard drive. Like, if you know, so all my friends know that when I edit videos, I'm always editing it with a freaking hard drive stuck in because there's never enough like storage on the laptop. But yeah, so this is it. This is it, guys. It's the it's the Pro. I don't know what else to say, but yeah. So I'm gonna just pull down here. This is the ASMR bit. So there we go. It's so sleek. Okay, let me open it like this. On my laptop. On my lap, sorry. Okay, but who else smells everything that they buy? Like, I'm a smeller. I like to smell things, even with like food. I like to smell things before I use it or eat it. But it smells weird. But yeah, so this is what it looks like inside. So the laptop is inside. Ooh. And that's the laptop in here. So it comes with, I think this is the charging cable, and then the charger there, and then the manual, whatever. Does anyone else read these things? Because I don't. Yeah, so it's a touch bar, and it has Touch ID too. Does it have face recognition? Anyways, yeah, these are the things. I'll pop it back in. Oh, it comes with stickers too, but let me show you. I remember when everyone used to stick stickers on their laptop. I don't know who else does it. Comment down below if you stick stickers on your laptop, because I'm not gonna do it, but yeah. I remember people that didn't even have a MacBook, they used to stick a Mac sticker on their like Acer laptop or the other brands that I don't have no clue about. But yeah, so I'm just going to put that back in. I don't think it comes with anything else, so just place it back in. So I'll need the charger, so let me just take that out. So the charger is the generic ones. Oh my days, you can really hear the cars going past, can't you? This is for the ASMR people that like it. Okay, so I've taken these out. Oh yeah, let me just take this off. And then this is the laptop. It's so cute and small. I'm gonna hit myself in the face, but yeah, it's so cute and small. Really small. I don't know what I was expecting, to be honest. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take this film off it. It's so pretty. But yes, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up. So I'm gonna turn myself around so you can see, set it up, and then we shall be back.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, girlfriend. Okay, so we're gonna set it up now. When I was setting it up and I finished setting it up, the laptop was making like a noise, like, you know, like when it's like trying to cool it down already, and I'm thinking, boy, this laptop is new, so I don't think it should be making that noise like that quickly, if you know what I mean. So it's a bit weird. Luckily I have I bought like insurance or something, but it's basically with Currys. So yeah, luckily I have that just in case it breaks, because it's expensive. But anyways, even the way I'm holding it, it looks like I'm gonna drop it, but yeah. So I've set it up. Oh look. But yeah, so I've set it up. I need to play around with it for me to understand it, because oh yeah, it's not touch screen, so I was gonna touch the screen. But yeah, I need to get used to it, because I've never used a Mac before in my life. Anytime that I would use my friends or whatever, I'd just get confused because I don't know what to do. But let me just think of it as like a mini iPad. So I should just do that and then see how I get on. But I'm going to purchase the cloud so that I can do, what's it called? So I can edit. You know, those people, normally you work around it kind of thing, you know, you do a little bit of this and that. But I ain't doing it with this laptop, just in case I get like a pop-up that stays there for the rest of my life. Do you know what I mean? Like, I need the real legit thing. But that's it. That's me unboxing my laptop. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Ciao.